Hello everybody, Michael here from YKNGT in China. Maybe you know YKNGT Enterprise, a good company for video scope. Today let me show you one our mini video scope. You can find it. The camera lens is very thin, just about 0.8 millimeters, and it's less than 1 millimeters. When you can inspect in the thin inspection environment. Now let me show you the image quality. We can show the we can open the LED lighting. Okay, you can see the LED light, and the cable is the optical light. You can find it's very clear. If you are interested, please contact us. Okay, that's all.